1, 2.
Sure.
Hello everyone, today we are going for outdoor camping. It's on my son's birthday eve. You would have been thinking that why I'm not taking my bike outside as I have my kid with me. We are just going for outdoor camping just in the banks of a river. Let me meet you guys once I reach there and show you how do we camp. It's not a minimalistic camping, I know. See my luggage behind. It's not a minimalistic camping because as you know, when we have a kid or a family, you can't be so minimalistic. Gradually we'll be showing you any of the video of minimalistic camping. So this is a full-on camping with full-on items in my car back there. See you, bye bye.
Guys, you can see this is the place and this is where we are camping. My son is excited. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಚಿನಿ? ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಜಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? So I'm looking for a right spot to camp. My idea was should I be away from the water a bit or nearby the water, because if it rains I don't know, like by no ways the water will be coming up. But I was looking for this place also because if it rains the trees can withstand some amount of water. So see you guys once I pitch my tent. I'll catch you back.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
It was my son's wish to burn some crackers on his birthday, and thanks to my wife, she arranged everything whatever was required, and see his excitement over there. We also cut some cake on his birthday, and it was fun. Couldn't capture the cake cutting ceremony because it was too pitch dark over there. I had got some chicken marinated from home, and that was for my dinner. We just had to cook it for a while, and also had bought some chapatis along with that. That's our part of the bread. Had a nice dinner, had fun cooking there, and even my kid enjoyed and learned a lot of things when related to camping. Thanks to our host Mr. Syed who helped us in arranging some campfire, as it was very cold and pitch dark. It was very much necessary. Had a very good sleep post our dinner in our tents.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday's camping was good. It was a bit of rain till midnight yesterday, but fine. Morning we got up, freshed ourselves, did our morning activities, and my son is just having fun in water, as you can see. So I thought of taking you a tour in this property. This is the waterfront where you can camp, and you have to come this way. You can take this way to go to the gate of the property, which also has a couple of houses. The host stays over there to look after us. He has not hired any employees yet now, but very sweet host, man, very sweet host. He'll be he himself is taking care of everything for us. So as you can see, this is a walk by right parallel to the river, and it goes pretty good distance. I'll be showing you a hyperlapse once I in my GoPro. So this is also very close by to water. You can camp even here. Almost the quarter of the property is it's waterfront. It faces the river, so that's the advantage of this camping highway. Very recently started, but I think very good effort. I haven't seen much of the camping sites, especially where he gives you a lot of freedom to camp on your own, bring your own stuff, just pay for the property you use, and have fun.
Who the best out here? I don't give a fuck and I don't fucking care.
Bring it back to the flow, give a dap to your bro, cause the party's so damn fishy.
ಸೋಪ್ ಎತ್ಕೊ ಬಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡು ಕೊಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಕೆಳಗನೆ ಇರಿಸು, ಹಂಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ಬೇಡ.
This is a kind of entertainment I get when I be with these people. They create high drama sequences.
Done with I just took bath in some natural river with my son. Had fun, played in water. Superb. See you guys in a minute. Done with the camping, done with the trip. Heading back home. My house is somewhere around 27 kilometers from here. So enjoy. If you visit here, I'll be providing the details in the description. You can contact Syed. Beautiful host, very sweet host. He has arranged a lot for us. See you.
na na.